Hey there, future affiliate pros. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to help you monetize your online presence. Today, we're tackling how to set up an Expedia affiliate account in 2025. If you're looking to earn commissions by promoting travel deals from one of the biggest names in the industry, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the Expedia website. Look for the Affiliates or Partner Programs section. It's usually in the footer or under a Business tab. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button to start your application. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one already, so enter your email, set a strong password, and verify your details. Next, fill out the application form. This is where you provide your personal information, like your name, address, and website or social media links where you'll be promoting Expedia. Make sure your site complies with their guidelines, think high-quality content and no misleading ads. In 2025, Expedia has updated their requirements, so double-check for any new policies on data privacy and performance metrics. After submitting, you'll get an email to verify your account. Click that link to activate it, then log back in. Now, customize your dashboard. Link your preferred payment method, like PayPal or bank transfer, and set up tracking tools to monitor your clicks and conversions. Expedia's interface is user-friendly, but if you run into issues, their support team is top-notch. Just check the help section. Once approved, which usually takes a few days, you're all set. Start promoting Expedia deals on your platform and watch those commissions roll in. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from genuine recommendations, so focus on creating value for your audience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next video on maximizing your affiliate earnings. See you soon.